Hello riders, welcome to HT Exhaust. We made FZ version 3 custom accessories for protection and touring. In this video let us see FZ version 3, crash guard, top rack, master cylinder cover, installation, overview and drop test. Okay, let us get into the video. Here, we have crash guard, with metal slider, for Yamaha, FZ version 3. Please have a mechanic assistance for fitment. Let us get started for installation. Remove the engine bed bolt at front chassis as shown. And take it out. We have provided all bolts and nuts to use for extra fitment in the box. Take 2 slider pipes, which is of length 9 inches, for both sides. Install slider pies on both sides simultaneously using the stock bolts we removed, and tight them. Do not tight fully. Please do only hand tight. So, this is how it should look after installing. Please be careful while installing. Second, we are now installing the main chassis pipe. Install main chassis pipe with U-clamp provided in box. Install the U-clamp at the same position as shown. And insert the clamp and tight using the nut. Do not tight fully. After installing you should see in the same position as shown in video. You can buy all our accessories from our website, www.htexhaust.com. Link is provided in description. We are nearing to install our crash guard. Let us start. Now, let us start with left side. Insert the bolt we removed from this place and tight at this first point of contact. Do not tight fully. Now, let us start with right hand side. Insert the bolt we removed from this place and tight at this first point of contact. Do not tight fully. This is the second and third point of installation. Align the slider pipe and chassis pipe and lock with crash guard. Once aligned, it will look as shown in video. This 10mm bolt would be provided in the box. Tight here using the bolt. Do not tight fully. Next, we are installing the metal slider on left hand side. Lock the metal slider at slider pipe location using Allen bolt provided in the box. Do not tight fully. Now, check whether the crash guard is aligned correctly to the center of bike. And tight fully using spanners. Tight slider bolt. Front chassis U-clamp. Bottom slider bolt. And bolt near foot rest. Ensure all bolts are tightened fully. This is how it looks on left hand side. This is how it looks on the right hand side. Now let us install top rack for Yamaha FZ version 3. You can buy all our accessories from our website, www.htexhaust.com. Link is provided in description. You will find 4 bolts under seat. Remove 4 bolts under rear seat. And remove the back, stock grab rail from the bike. Now place and align our top rack at the same position on bike. And start installing. Using the same bolts removed. Do not tight fully. Now tight all the 4 bolts respectively. So then our top rack installation is completed. All brand top boxes available in India is suitable with our top rack. Now enjoy your ride with our accessories. You can order all bike accessories from our website www.htexhaust.com.